Assalamu alaikum everybody, I welcome you all with another amazing episode, and today we are preparing Masoor Ki Daal, which is also called Kali Dal, and it is very healthy, very nutritious, especially for the people on diet or on the supplementary stuff. They can always have this, and let's start preparing it right away. सबसे पहले हमने मलका मसूर की दाल ले लेनी है 1.5 कप काली दाल. इसको मैंने about 1.5 hours से भिगोया हुआ था, but half hour is good. So we need 1 onion, 1 green onion, 1 tomato, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's have a look at this. The masalas. We need 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of zira powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Remember, not powder. Half teaspoon of salt and a little bit of kasuri methi. On the other hand, we have also made some imli paste. Simply, ठीक है, कुछ tablespoons आपको चाहिए होगा, and that's it. Simple वाला. ठीक है, भिगो के मैंने कल की रखी हुई थी, so now I'm going to use it. अच्छा, यहाँ पे I have some mutton की यखनी, 1 cup mutton यखनी. I had left it over. I had a leftover from yesterday. I made mutton pulao. ठीक है जी, चलें. अब हम इस दाल के अंदर इसी बोल में I'm going to add in a little bit of water. ठीक है जी. Also I'm going to add all these masalas, but not kasuri methi right now. ठीक है, I'm going to add the entire thing that I just told you into it right away. This is the time to add tomatoes. I'm going to add it right away. Then I'm going to add the onions, not the green ones, only the onion that I talked about before, simple wala. अच्छा जी, इन सारी चीज़ों को mix करके I'm going to put it directly into the pressure cooker and I'm going to pressure cook it. अच्छा जी, ये pressure cooker used था already to make mutton yakhni. इसके अंदर मैंने सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो add कर दी हैं. So remember that it's like 1 cup of mutton yakhni and 1 cup of water. On the other hand, once it's done, what I'm going to do is कि मैंने इसके अंदर जो है वो इमली का पल्प डाल दिया है, साथ भी साथ तड़का तैयार कर लिया है. That we're going to add in right away, and yummy सी, बहुत ही डिलिशियस सी आपकी जो काली दाल है वो बिल्कुल रेडी है. तड़का में आप इम्प्रोवाइजेशन कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने ग्रीन अनियंस ले लिए, साथ ही साथ मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़ीरा डाल दिया. ठीक है, एंड अब इज़ द टाइम टू ऐड कसूरी मेथी. Voila, yummy Kali dal, Malka Masoor dal, or whatever you call it. I call it my diet speciality. Enjoy it, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.